Hello everyone, welcome back to that Cyber Guy. So today I'll be guiding you to this demonstration. So we are going to use Nikto. From our previous videos, we show how to download and install Nikto on Kali Linux. So today we are going to just have a few demonstrations. So what is Nikto? Nikto is a powerful tool for scanning web servers for vulnerabilities. And Kali Linux is a popular distribution for penetration testing. Kali Linux that we are going to use, and Metasploitable, which is a server that is designed with vulnerabilities for you to practice. Now, are you ready to just explore Nikto into Kali Linux and Metasploitable? Buckle up and let's get started.
Learn cybersecurity in no time.
Alright, so my Kali Linux is open, so make sure that you have Kali installed, and as you can see I have my terminal open. If you wanna know how to open your terminal, it's just at the top right here. Terminal, you click on it and it's open. Alright, so what we are going to do today, we are going to try to run a very simple scan. I have my Metasploitable server is open. If you don't know how to download and install Metasploitable, please go back to our previous videos to just know how to download it, because it's very important for you to just only scan system that you are authorized to scan, because otherwise you can be in big trouble. So that's why we use Metasploitable as a server that is designed for people to practice. Alright, so what we're gonna do today, we are going to use Nikto. As I explained last week, if you wanna know all the command of Nikto, what they do, you can actually type Nikto -h, and it's gonna just give you a big insight on how to use the tool. So today what we're going to do, we can type Nikto -host or h like that, and then the IP address of what you wanna scan. But in my case, what I can do, I can just type 10.0.2.4 and hit enter. So this may take a while. I'm going to pause the video and be back once the scan is complete. Alright, so our scan has been completed. So as you can see here, it took a very long time. So as you can see, the result, they are kind of self-explanatory, because they give you information. For example, the Apache server is outdated, so they give you a bunch of information with URL where you can actually, for example, go to the developer that Mozilla, to see how to just mitigate or learn more about some vulnerabilities. And actually what you can actually do, you can actually use Metasploit to just exploit those issues. But what is very important as a penetration tester, what you need to do, because this data looks very cumbersome, what you need to do, if you were to work for a client, you will want to output the scan by doing this, and then tilde, and then forward slash, for example, desktop, and then forward slash the name. You can say Nikto, that Nikto scan .txt, so you can just have a txt file to share with your client. So yeah, that's it for this video on web vulnerability scanning with Nikto on Kali Linux. So we've demonstrated how to just run a basic scans. You guys can go ahead and just do more advanced scans, where you use like a specific port number like HTTP port 80, and then use SSL, etc. Now make sure that you like, subscribe, and share to stay up to date with our weekly videos. You don't want to miss that out. If you have any questions, put them into the comment section. Until next time, happy learning.